In this tutorial, I'm going to guide you on how to fix the issue that says, this device is not compatible with this version. So, let's get started. First, keep tapping on the Play Store icon until a small window appears. From that window, choose the option that allows you to open App Info. Once you're inside the App Info page, go to Storage and Cache. Here, you'll need to clear the cache first. After clearing the cache, go back and you'll see the option called Force Stop. Tap on it and confirm the action. Now, return once again to Storage and Cache, but this time select Clear Storage. This will completely clear the app data, including files, settings, databases, and other related data. Confirm the process by clicking OK. After that, go to the Play Store and search for FC Mobile or any other app where you encountered the device not compatible problem. Try installing it again, and you should see that the issue is fixed. That's it. By following these simple steps, you can easily resolve the device not compatible with this version error.